Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a unit out of a 68 Ford Galaxie 500. This comes from Harold in Vero Beach, Florida. Harold has requested the modern internal FM conversion with Bluetooth, so let's fire it up and make sure everything works. Because the copyright thing has gotten just ridiculous on YouTube, I've got all the presets set to stations in my area. I'm just going to hit them real quick for just a second or two, just so you know that it's tuning properly. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Got it set to FM at the moment. Okay, let's go down the buttons.
Times get hard, crap. I could use a reminder.
Okay, that one drifted a bit.
Night, as he often does, he 200 meters and Succeed Bolt.
Okay, let's go to AM. I get one strong station about there on the AM band. Off on. Okay. Okay, there's our strong AM station. Okay, let's demonstrate the virtual balance and fader controls. Going to need our output level meters for this. Okay, adjust our virtual front rear fader. There we go. Fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance. Okay, I'm going to center them. Let it time out. Fader set. Okay, let's try the left-right balance control.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. Okay, so now adjusting our left-right balance. Okay, let's center the speakers.
Balance set.
Okay, make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by turning our volume control twice to the right.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So it's going into pairing mode, and since I don't do all that on the video, 90 seconds later she'll come back saying pairing not completed. So let's test the dial light, make sure that still goes on and off, and you can see it's flashing on and off in response to my command. And that's it. That's the entire radio tested and proven to be ready to go. So thank you very much, Harold, for your business, and thank you guys for watching and listening. If I can find which buttons I'm looking at here, we'll see you guys next time.